All right, in this second part of this tutorial for making a checkerboard, we have this light piece right now, and what I'm going to do is actually change the colors of it so there's a dark piece. So I'm just going to come up here, and you can see that there's all these different color things here. And if I go over here, I have a whole bunch of different material colors as well. So I'm going to grab the piece that says light piece right now, highlight it, so it's highlighting everything, and I'm going to come down here and I'm going to find walnut as in black walnut, and we're just going to color it just so it's a different color. Okay, and you can see which way the grain's going right now, and these ones are going up and down. I can actually have it clicked, and right here, click on this one, and what we can do is pick basically, I'm just going to move this over here for a second so it's out of the way, and basically I can take this guy right here, and you can see I can move the grain around so to match actually which way I might want to go. So I'm just going to move it like that, and I'm going to click the check mark for OK. So there's my piece, and I'm going to go up to File, then Save As, and this time instead of light piece, I'm going to call this dark piece. Dark piece. Okay, so now I have two different pieces now. Okay, now once I have my two pieces, and I'm going to actually open up the other one, so I'm going to go Open, and again I'm at the useless box, so I'm just going to come up here and go to the top and grab my checker, and I got my light piece. So now I have two pieces here, right, light and dark. Okay, so now what I want to do is start an assembly. So to start an assembly, I go File, I go New here, and Assembly. Okay, so I got my two parts. Now this is where I assemble them, and I go Place. Okay, and here under my checker, I'm going to find my, oops, I got lots of things in here. So let's just go up one more. I'm in somewhere else again. Go back to my school. Just got to go find this. Scroll down here. Go to Inventor. And there's checker, and I'm going to grab my dark piece first. Okay, and I'm going to put it in place. Okay, and I'm going to right mouse click and go OK. And I'm just going to scroll out a bit and go place, and I'm going to grab my light piece. Okay, and I'm going to put that one in place and hit OK. Now I'm going to put the two of these together. So the only thing in here, everything up here I need to know is Constraint. So we click on Constraint, and what this is going to do is basically I want to match these up the top to the top. You can see these arrows. So if I click on this one and I click on this one, you can see they pop. And right now you're at mate. The two surfaces mate. I want them to be flush. So I click on flush. Okay, and I click apply. I'm going to click cancel for a second. So now when I move this one can move around. If I grab this one doesn't, it moves. Okay, now over here, okay, there is, if I right mouse click, I can go something called grounded. And when I click grounded, you see how there's a little pin there now? Watch this. This one doesn't move anymore. This one moves around. Okay, so this is my fixed one that can't move now. So this one moves around, but you can still see it's parallel, those two surfaces. So next one is go back to constrain, and I can constrain this surface to this surface. Okay, again it went to flush, so we want to, or sorry, mate, so we want to go to flush. Hit apply, and I'm just going to cancel this and pull these apart. Whoops, pull this one over. And the last one I want to do is constrain is this surface. I'm going to hold the shift key down, and I'm going to rotate it around, and I'm going to pick this one. Okay, and now I'm going to click apply. Okay, and my email just went off on that one, and I hit cancel. So now these two, I can't move them, neither move. Okay, they're fully constrained and they don't move around anymore. Now we're going to stop at this point, and then we'll continue on in the next video.